guys, it's Aiden. Welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to be a VidCon survival guide. For those of you who don't know, VidCon is like a huge convention where a bunch of YouTubers get together and a bunch of attendees get together, and you can just go to this convention where you're surrounded by YouTubers and online video. If you're new here to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the little bell, because apparently YouTube is being really bad with their subscription notifications. So make sure you hit that bell, because that's the only way you're gonna get notified. So without further ado, let's get on to the basically there are three ways to So basically there are three ways to, I guess, VidCon. You can do a community pass, a creator pass, or an industry pass. A community pass is usually what I get. It's for basically you're at VidCon to meet people. You're here to meet YouTubers, you're here to meet people who enjoy the same content as you. You're here to get selfies with your favorite YouTuber. Creator is for small YouTubers who want to become bigger YouTubers and they want to know more about the online industry. And then the industry pass. The industry pass is kind of like business-y. The industry pass allows you to do basically everything. You can be trying to grow a business while you're also trying to grow your YouTube channel, while you're also trying to get a selfie with your favorite YouTuber. Now let's talk about what you can do and what you can't do with these passes. Community Pass allows you access to the Meet and Greet Lottery. The Meet and Greet Lottery is a lottery system that basically gives you a random meet and greet for you to meet. So what John and Hank Green decided to do is they decided to create a meet and greet lottery. If you buy a creator pass or an industry pass, you have access to the meet and greet lottery. The meet and greet lottery is where they will email you saying, hey, it's time to participate in the meet and greet lottery. You will click on that email, you will put your ticket number in as well as your email. Once you have done that, you will have complete access to this entire website where it will give you a list of 15 YouTubers and all the YouTubers who have a meet and greet. And at the bottom, you can also do the buddy system. The buddy system is basically where you put in someone else's ticket number and their email so that you two can get the exact same meet and greet, so you can go to the meet and greets together and not be alone in the line. Sadly, you can only buddy with one person. So basically, you put your top 15 list with all the YouTubers. It's basically like a drag and drop. Number 1 being the one you want to meet the most. In my case, it's going to be me, Larisha, aka Alicia Marie, Mia Stammer, and Lord DIY. And then your 15th person. 15th is kind of like the least person you want to meet out of the top 15, but you still want to meet them. The lottery starts on May 1st and goes through to the 15th, I think. And then results go out on the 22nd. The results is basically they'll email you saying, hey, you're meeting this person, and this person. They can range from 2 to 4 people. So put in that meet and greet lottery, cross your fingers that you get someone good. Although the meet and greet lottery runs through May 1st to the 15th, you do not need to rush. It's not like if I put in my people the fastest, I'll get them. That's not how it works. It's completely randomized, so don't think that you have to do it fast. You can wait until the 15th. You can change them throughout the 2 weeks. You don't need to rush because you don't want to rush. Next, I'm going to be sharing what I recommend. I recommend visiting the expo hall is because you can meet your favorite YouTuber. I made this mistake because the entire time I was at VidCon, I was just trying to find YouTubers. What I actually found out is that there was a booth where they have a YouTuber come every 30 minutes and you can take a picture with them and talk with them. It's like a mini panel. Also, remember, VidCon is a once-a-year thing. Have fun while you can, because trust me, the time literally flies, and I'm not joking. I cannot tell you how many people I was talking to in the line of the meet and greet. I am a person who is very shy and I don't like talking to new people, but it was just so much fun talking to people who enjoyed the same things that I did. You can scream as loud as you want. That's perfectly okay because there are so many people screaming. So screaming as loud as you want is something that you can do. Crying is very, very promoted. If you're iffy about VidCon, I 110% recommend going. Last year was the best time of my life. That's basically it for the VidCon video. Give this video a thumbs up if you're going to VidCon or if you're excited for some VidCon vlogs, because I am so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, spread love, not hate. Bye.
Can't make any promises now.